Cheers. This is strong. Luckily there's no alcohol in it. So we just walked from over there and we are at the plaza. And we're gonna walk in the smoke-free section. After she gets a drink. We are at Carousel Bar. Oh my god, brain freeze.
I think I want to go to the wing because I would like to lemon drop.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Brian Christopher's Slots at the Plaza. This is a smoke-free section where you can record everywhere you want.
Really?
You're allowed to record anywhere in here.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
So I can hold it like this and walk around and like not be. You can't record in here, sir. Yep, you can record here. You can come here and take pictures and videos of all this. I'd rather gamble.
Never mind.
No? No. It only takes one spin to win. Yeah, right.
No, that's not what happened.
This is your last day to work for the rest of your life.
Look at this.
This is the day to celebrate.
So he even has his own slot machine. Check this out.
It's for sitting.
It's for chilling.
Oh. I feel like it's gonna fall. Can't. Can't. I don't want to roll in there. I'm gonna be like a hamster.
Look, he has his own slot machine. All right, we are going in the plaza. We walked in to that section over there. And now we are going to plaza. Pink box right here. All right, here we go. Woo, it's hot out here. Here's the pink box donuts. Oh, man. Oh, we got Derby Deluxe here. Look at that. How fun. Oh, we're gonna walk kind of clockwise.
It's kind of wild to see look closer.
Wow, the whole section of Planet Moolah over there. I'm gonna get this for the camera real quick. Hold on 1 second. You got your whole wall of Planet Moolah over at the plaza. All right, let's continue. It's your interblock roulette. So this casino has the stadium bubble craps here, but they don't have the actual interblock individual bubble craps. So you all know. When you walk in, all the stadium games are over to the right over there. The table games in the middle here. And let's check this out. Dragon Hash. So, story time if you wanna know. Last night we walked the strip. We ended up over here, and she put in $5 in a Dragon Link machine, and we cashed out $50. And from that $50, we went from here to Circa and just went all the way back. And every casino we hit up, we put and played another slot machine with bubble craps. We ended up from that $5, ended up with $700 by the time we got back to El Cortez. I mean, too bad we couldn't get that on video, but that was amazing. Yeah. The most we won was at Circa. One of the machines, the Buffalo machine, we got like $400. And then the rest of it was all bubble craps. Man. Pop-up pizza, huh? Yeah. Let's go walk over in this corner. What is this? The sand dollar. Interesting. Live music. Wow, I have not seen this game. Big Dollar. Big Dollar Green. I think it's based off of Crazy Money. Interesting, huh? Hmm. Pop-up pizza. Let's go check out Pop-up pizza. So they got full pizzas for $25 starting, and then slices starting at $6.75. Oh my goodness. The Game Kings. Sip Soap Swim, South Tower, 5th floor, huh? What is that, like a pool party? They got a whole wall. There you go. Huff and puff. So you got huff and even more puff, huff and more puff, huff and even more puff. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Ah, they got the shoot to win craps here. Shoot to win. All your link games. Paradise Fishing. What is that? I'm gonna kind of zigzag through because I know I'm gonna miss something here. I'll pan slowly so you can all see. Oh, let's check out the sports area, sports betting. Wow. Oh my god, look at this Buffalo game's huge. Man, all these games are getting huge. It's a lonely little bar area over here. We're over by the south entrance, and this is the William Hill Race and Sports Book. More links. High voltage link. Never had any luck on that game. Yeah, Wheel of Fortunes. Cashier's Cage. Willy Wonka's. So Game King. Wow, look at that Buffalo game. Holy snaps, it's huge. Man, how big are these machines gonna get? Eventually you're gonna have one that's like covers the whole wall. Alright, I'm gonna zigzag through the middle section, which I missed earlier. Or did I? No, I did walk kind of through there, right? We'll just do it again. I have not seen this one yet. This is Cash Express Mega Line, Mega Train. 4 games at once. It's too much to look at. I don't know where to pay attention. Alright, so I want to walk to the other side where they have, here's all the table games. The other side, right next to the bar, is the stadium games. Let's go check that out. I wonder what's up here. So here's the bar area right here. So next to the bar, stadium games. Here we go. Let's see what the minimum bet is over here. It's only $3 like all the other places. $3. We got roulette, blackjack, multi-hand blackjack, regular blackjack, big six, and bubble craps. 2 roulette wheels. The red one and the blue one. Big six. Anybody ever have luck on big six? Never played that. There you go, everybody. That's Plaza. All right. Thank you for tuning in. We're off to the next casino. Oh, I think the next casino is Golden Gate. I don't know if I walked through there yet. We will check that out. What is this? Lightning Zap. Huh. Interesting. What is this? Hash House. Oh, I heard good things about Hash House. Hash House at the Plaza. Oh, if you haven't played this game yet, rock, paper, scissors, that's fun. Try it out sometime. So there's a carousel with a bar. A registration for the hotel. Coffee bar. So yeah, oh, they got pickleball courts, food truck, daybed, all on the 5th floor. Sip, soak, and swim. I guess it's a kind of like a pool party up there. That's probably what I heard when I was walking by. I heard a lot of music. Yeah. From the hotel area, we got fresh Mexican grill, just rice, curry ramen noodles. Oh man. Oh, it looks good. And from there, we're going to the non-smoking section. Non-smoking section. There we go. And you could record in here all you want, and you won't get in trouble. That's pretty cool. Okay, on to the next casino, everybody. Where are we going now? Okay, Golden Gate across the street. All right, thank you for tuning in. See you in the next casino.